In this video we have a conjecture that n squared plus n plus 1 is a prime number for n greater than equal to 1. So we've got the question, is n squared plus n plus 1 a prime number for n greater or equal to 1? Okay, so when n is equal to 1, so what we're going to do is we're going to start putting some numbers in. We've got 1 squared plus 1 plus 1, that gives me 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3, which is prime. 3 is a prime number. Remember, prime numbers are numbers which have two distinct factors, i.e. 1 and itself. Okay, 1 is not a prime number. When n is equal to 2, so we're going to have 2 squared plus 2 plus 1, that gives me 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 7. 7 is a prime number, which is prime. Okay, and then we hit for n is equal to 3, we have 3 squared plus 3 plus 1, which gives me 9 plus 3 plus 1. 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. That's a prime number. And when n is equal to 4, we've got 4 squared plus 4 plus 1, which gives me 16 plus 4 plus 1. So that gives me 21. Now 21 is not a prime number because 7 goes into it. So, which is not a prime number. Now, in order to disprove a statement, we only need one counter example. Here we have it. We don't need to carry on any further. We have disproved this conjecture is not actually correct. Therefore, to disprove a conjecture, you only need one counter example. Here we have it. And therefore, n squared plus 1 is not a prime number for n greater or equal to 1. Okay, so this has been an example to show you how to disprove a conjecture. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.